So we're gonna send it, like Matt says. We're too old to be saying that, but we're sending it all the way to Ketchikan. If all goes well, then the next part of this video will be hopefully showing you Ketchikan, and hopefully be putting together the enclosure so that we don't have to do the trip down to San Francisco without me. But we'll see. Alright, see ya.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
So after 36 hours or so straight from Shearwater, we've made it to Ketchikan. It's around 9:30, or no, 6:30. Whew. I'm tired. 6:30 in the morning, Alaska time. First time Genovia's gone through a time zone change also since I've had her. Pretty cool. Cool looking town. We're excited to check it out.
Super cute. And beautiful. Comes with its own cruise ship, of course. Several passed us coming here. Here we are in Petersburg, Alaska. Going to do an entire cart full of laundry on this beautiful, hot August day.
We're just temporarily tying everything together so that when the welder gets here shortly, you can see what we're doing. I'm not really sure exactly how we're going to take it to a shop. We're trying to just get everything pinned so we can cut the bottom. We want to figure out the exact height. So we're gonna put the sail up, I think, here if we're gonna break in the little breeze. Get an idea of how high we are at the boom. And there's gonna be, the solar panels are an inch higher than this. So we're gonna figure out how much we need to cut off at the base of each of these tubes. Which everything has to kind of be in place for that to work because they're gonna be at an angle. Not only do we need to figure out how much to cut off, but we gotta figure out exactly what the angle is.
The base.
At the base so that we can have these welded onto the bottom of each tube. Go like that. Make sure it's like pretty plumb. So right now you can see there's a gap. It's going to have a cut that's a little slightly angled, a little bit different on each corner. Yeah.
Sweet. Looks pretty good so far. Oh yeah. You think you'll be able to stand under it?
Just barely. Underneath the solar panels are hollow.
That's right. Got the solar panels right there on the bow. Cool. I like it. Looks good so far. It's gonna change the whole look of the boat. Sunday morning in Petersburg, Alaska. Quiet little town. Only guides and adventure, thrill-seeking people out and about. Seems to be a cute little town though. Cute cute little stores. Not a lot, a couple. Only about a couple, but it's more than enough that they need here. Especially because everyone just comes here for fishing. Can you turn that off? That's... Yeah, I was even getting the sound on that.